house. We're gonna enjoy with the last two songs, you know what I mean? Let's live it up out here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 70's Bistro. So enjoy for the morning. When you're sunrise, good luck out there tomorrow, you know what I mean? Where we're from, so we got to represent wherever you're from.
In the island, born and raised, with reggae music all around the place. To the mountains in the city street, people jamming to the rhythm of the reggae. Roots rock reggae, it's the reggae music. Roots rock reggae, it's the reggae music. It doesn't matter where you from, you just come down here, let's enjoy this. We have a time, we have a time. Come with me, let's take the ball. Let's go away and forget the past. Positive life, positive life. Let your mental free your mind. Come down here and you will find the love that you're longing for. The love that you're longing for. Let's go down south and breathe the air. We have so much things to share. I'll take you anywhere. Taking you anywhere. In the island, born and raised, where reggae music all around the place. To the bushes and the mountains in the city streets, people jamming to the rhythm of the reggae. Roots rock reggae, it's the reggae music. Roots rock reggae, boy. It's the reggae music.
So tomorrow we're so excited to do a little something for Junior Bobby as well. We're Selah Dub Warriors. Right now, let me introduce the man. On lead, we got brother Crooks. Crooks here. And on the man, on the keyboards, we got King Keys. On the little drum and bass. On the little drum and bass. On drums we got Big Top Diamond. And on the bass we got Nothing. The duet of the drum and bass. The hard rock right there. Boom. I got everybody outside and gonna be rockin' the city. We got a baby on the confession and takes it easy to see. So right now, just let me know from, we got the best beaches, we got the best of everything, the mountains, all around too, man. So when you get a chance, please do come visit. But let you all know, every first Sunday of every year in January, we celebrate him. We celebrate Jah. We celebrate Señor Santo Niño. Viva Virginia! Biggie McMurphy, your folks.
In the island, born and raised, reggae music all around the place. Until the beaches and the mountains and the city streets, people jamming to the rhythm of the reggae.